Hi everyone, we've got an exponential modelling question here. Let's have a look. So it says a quantity of ethanol is heated until it reached a boiling point. The temperature of ethanol, 𝗏 at time t seconds after heating began, is modelled by the equation theta is equal to A minus B e to the minus 0.07 t, where A and B are positive constants. Given that the initial temperature of the ethanol is 18 degrees C, and that after 10 seconds the temperature of the ethanol was 44 degrees C, find a complete equation for the model giving the values of A and B to three significant figures. So this kind of question where we've got two constants to find and we've got two initial pieces of information, in other words two boundary conditions, means we need to sub those in and generate a pair of simultaneous equations. So our equation is theta is equal to A minus B e to the minus 0.07 t. So it says initial temperature was 18 degrees C. So 18 is equal to A minus B times e to the 0. So 18 is equal to A minus B. So that's our equation 1. After 10 seconds, the temperature of the ethanol was 44 degrees. So we've got 44 is equal to A minus B e to the minus 0.07 times by 10. So 44 is equal to A minus B e to the minus 0.7. Okay, so there we go. We've got to try and solve these equations simultaneously. So that's going to be interesting, isn't it? Because we've got like an exponential in here. What would be a good way to do this? I think maybe we should sub one into the other. So let's sub equation 1 into equation 2 and see what happens there. So I'm going to say that A is equal to 18 at B. So by rearranging equation 1, adding the B over here, I'm going to say 44 is equal to 18 plus B minus B e to the minus 0.7. Okay, so now we can basically, from here we can just rearrange this whole thing. It's going to be absolutely fine. So let's say we're going to take off that 18, so we're going to say that 26 is equal to B, open bracket, 1 minus e to the minus 0.7. So therefore B is equal to 26 divided by 1 minus e to the minus 0.7. Three significant figures, so there we go. So let's put that into our calculators now. So 26 over 1 minus e to the power of minus 0.7 is equal to 51.6. So let's write that down. We'll write it down to a few more significant figures while we're finding the other constant. 51.647. Okay, so that's our B. Now, we know from equation 1 that 18 is equal to A minus B. So 18 is equal to A minus 51.647. So therefore 51.647 plus 18, which is 69.64, is going to be our A. So A is equal to 69.65. Okay, so we've got to round these, so we've got to give them both to three significant figures. So A is going to be 69, when we look at the actual answer, it's going to be 69.6. So 69.6. Yeah, that was unfortunate, that rounding, because it rounded that one up, which would have meant that one would go up. So, but from the exact answer, it's going to be 69.6. Be careful because you could lose a mark there. And for B, it is going to be 51.6 is going to be our B, so 51.6. Okay, so we found our A and B, and therefore we found our complete model, 4 marks. Now, the next part of this question, it says ethanol has a boiling point of 78 degrees C. Use this information to evaluate the model. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So, yes, now let's write down what our model is. So our model that we've got is theta is equal to A minus B e to the minus 0.07 t. Now we've just found that A is equal to 69.6 minus b, which is 51.6 e to the minus 0.07t. Now, honestly, I tell you, if I had a penny for every time like this idea has come up in an A-level paper, wow, you know, it would be, I'd have a few p, I tell you. So basically what we've got going on here is we have got, this is such a key idea is what I'm trying to say. We've got here a negative exponential, okay? So when you've got e to the minus something, this is the shape of the curve. So what you've got to think to yourself is, as t tends to infinity, this y is going to tend to 0, okay? Very, very key, super important idea right there. Because the implication for us here is that as t tends to infinity, this is going to tend to 0. So in other words, theta in our model is tending towards 69.6, which means that, you know, our model predicts that ethanol is going to boil at 69.6 degrees. Okay, so that's a lot lower than 78 degrees. So we're going to say it's not an appropriate model. Okay, so it is not a good model. And the reason it's not a good model is because our model predicts 69.6, which is not matching the actual value of 78 degrees. Perfect. I hope you found that helpful. Remember, if you're finding these videos useful, if you could like and subscribe to my channel, that's going to really help me keep on making more videos moving forward. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.